Everybody, and welcome to the Mom Experience. Here you will find a brief tutorial that will guide you through the main functionalities of the Mom platform. We start from the very first step, which is the registration form. You will be sent with this link. You will just fill in your first name, last name, and email. You choose the password and you choose the user type, which means, are you a trainer or are you a mother? It gives you a different course, so be careful about choosing this one. You agree with the terms and conditions, you click on the register, and after you have clicked, you will be sent an email like this that asks you to activate your account. You click on the link and you are ready to start. Whenever you want to retrieve the project and start with the Mom course, you will just use this link, insert your credentials like I'm doing, and you can enter the platform again. Let's do this. Of course, if you forget your password, you can retrieve it through this link. Okay, I'm a trainer and I have done the first module, as you can see. The Mom course consists of 5 modules and you can find them all here, which is the home page for your course. If you click on Start Module, you get through the next module you are about to do. So this is the second module, Mom Strengths-Based Perspective. You can navigate through the pages by clicking on Continue or Back, and also through the selector that you can find in the upfront. 2 other things about the Mom modules. You can find videos like this, and each video is provided with a video transcript. You just click on the yellow button to open the transcript, then you just click it back to close it. You will find also other videos, of course, and also some text like in here. And whenever you find an icon like this, it's a practical activity you are asked to do. Many times you will also asked to answer some questions or to write down your thoughts. You will find it in here, and whenever you fill it in, like here, I do it just like an example. This is my thought. You can also choose an image if you want, like this one, and you can submit them both. Here I chose my picture, my own picture, so this is my thought with my picture. You can find also other comments. And it's at the very bottom of the page. Whenever you answer to something, you also will find it here in your own profile. Your profile will be like your it's public, like your diary, the diary of your mom training experience. So everything that you write down in the platform, in the training course, you will find it here. From the account page, you can edit your profile, edit your first name, last name, and more especially choose a picture. We very recommend to choose a picture because it makes you like more reliable to others and it makes all the experience more fun. Whenever you want to retrieve the course, You just click on the course index and you get to there. Where once you have finished one module, you will find that the color changes and that the icon changes, so you can keep track of all your MOM pathway. We recommend to do one module per session, so to actually start and finish one module. We have just two other places to discover in this tutorial. The first one is the post area, which is the place where you can talk with others. You're asked to submit thoughts. You can start a conversation like this, and once people write back, you can find all the answers in there. We recommend at the beginning, you can find it quite empty, but don't be shy and start the conversation and others will follow. The first place to discover is the resources area, where you can find open educational resources, also called OER, some resources like some useful links, some videos, some PDFs. They were all carefully selected by the MOMS team, and they will provide you with more knowledge about the MOMS topics you will discover through the course. It will also provide the MOMS with useful resources they can use for their employability. Whenever you want to retrieve these useful functions, just click on the tutorial page and you will find this very first video. Thank you for joining me and have a great training experience.